Hello there! I hope you are safely nestled in at home. Most of us have come to rely on digital tools and media to keep our lives going amidst the coronavirus lockdown. The internet is now our only channel for connecting with friends, entertaining ourselves, and getting any work done, really. A cyber attack on networks or systems in such a scenario can be truly devastating. Companies have been pouring money into security infrastructure to contain the spread of malware. According to Gartner, worldwide spending on cybersecurity is going to reach $133.7 billion in 2022. IBM has planned to boost their 2020 cybersecurity spending by double-digit percentage points. Amazon has come up with a new tool named Amazon Detective to ensure cybersecurity for its cloud service. We're here to enable you to get a slice of the cybersecurity opportunity pie. So guys, welcome to Eduonix's Cybersecurity Professional E-Degree Program, where you'll learn how to protect and recover networks and systems from malevolent cyber attacks. This e-degree features 6 modules, multiple tests and quizzes, along with projects and a guaranteed lifetime access. The best thing about this program is that you don't really need to have a technical background to tackle this. There are 6 modules covering almost every essential aspect of cybersecurity, like introduction to hacking tools, penetration testing, data encryption, network security, cloud security, and DevSecOps. Most of us can remember the things that we create with our own effort, more than lectures or books. Keeping this in mind, we've added some interesting hands-on projects to polish your ability to handle real-world problems. Our first project is about extracting leaked credentials from network traffic. Many protocols are encrypted using transport layer security today, and it is possible to read this log files with web proxy. Knowledge of these protocols that leak user credentials can help an ethical hacker expand their access on a computer or network. Rolling over to our second project, which is about prevention techniques in-house and enterprise network. As it has rightly been said, prevention is better than cure. So it is very important to safeguard our network well in advance and prevent the cyber attacks that are performed on one's private network. And our third project is all about review of notable breaches in the cloud security. According to risk-based security research, the first half of 2019 has seen more than 3,800 publicly disclosed breaches, exposing 4.1 billion of compromised records. That's shocking, right? Well, this project will enable you to highlight the security breaches happening in the user's cloud network and prevent the attacks. Does this course load sound daunting to you? Well, cybersecurity can be a tough nut to crack, but if you are determined, our team of expert instructors will guide the way. In the meantime, stay safe and keep learning.